sound. She gives us milk both day and night, a gentle cow so calm and bright. The fluffy sheep goes ba ba ba, walking slowly through the straw, wearing wool like cozy coats. They love to munch on grassy moats. Down on the farm, what do you hear? Animal sounds far and near. Cluck and moo, neigh and baa. Let's meet the animals, here they are. The hen clucks and lays her egg. She waddles with her tiny leg. The rooster crows with a mighty call, cock-a-doodle-doo, to wake us all. The horse runs fast with hooves that pound, galloping over the soft farm ground. With a neigh and a swish of tail, he rides the wind